Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the 15th Sushi Executive Summit.
We are in Paris and we are right at the start of a new conference called Utopia for Beginners. And in the room over there are 150 decision makers deciding which utopia they will choose.
One of the reasons I think this conference is on the new Utopia for Beginners, is so important. It's really ahead of the curve, because I think right now in the world, in America, in Europe, all over the world, there's a real sense of we're facing a really bleak future. And in fact, it's not true. In fact, so many things are in motion that could actually lead to a much better world, a much more positive future.
Per table, there will be one king, and please enjoy the discussion.
Either we find new ways of governing power as it flows through tech, which move faster, which kind of exists through the tech itself perhaps, but which can actually make power in these new forms kind of flow down the kind of like rivulets which it defines, or we don't. So that crossroads means that either we're going to live in a world full of raw power, uncontrolled power, or we are going to live in a world where power has been controlled in new, fast-moving, agile, and probably it's themselves technologically facilitated ways.
I think it's the newer generation that is engaging with all the things that they have, like internet, new technologies, and they just manage to put that in a competitive environment. And when they see a company is supporting their passion, their industry, I think you have a step forward compared with competitors that don't engage with that same industry.
If companies and big businesses want to adapt to this changing market, they need to understand, how can we harness this potential of reacting to all of this neural data being available, and like being able to share experiences much more robustly.
And please be back here tomorrow morning at 8:30 sharp. Today we have 8 more speakers going into 2 topics.
The digital world has brought us closer to both utopia and dystopia at exactly the same moment. Both amazing and terrible things happening to society and all of us all the time, more than ever before. That is, in fact, actually, I think at least, the nature of the digital revolution that we're living through.
We started this event by questioning, are we at a turning point? And I think the conclusion is, after all these speakers, that yes, we are at a turning point, and the organizations are taking new directions towards, yes, a new utopia, I would say.